What's up, guys? Welcome back to the C Club, and I hope you're having a good day because we're going to be making a banger video today. If you're wondering who I am, you've never seen this guy before, I'm a chef, and today I want to make some chocolate chip cookies for my wife, Dr. Mary. So I'm at the cupboard, and I'm going to get some of my favorite cookie ingredients. And although I'm a chef, these ingredients may not be super right. I like to put peanut butter in my cookies, and I like to put chocolate chips. I'm a puppet, so it's a little hard to grab. La-di-da-di-da, making the cookies. I like making cookies, they're so yummy.
Babe!
Oh! What?
Why are you up late at this time? It's like almost 1 o'clock.
Oh my goodness, I lost track of time. I'm so crazy.
And, why are you using, these butterscotch caramel chips? Is this... Wow, butter!
Oh my goodness, silly me. I wasn't making chocolate chip cookies. I was making butterscotch caramel cookies with wow butter. I messed my ingredients up.
Like you thought, honey, this was peanut butter, but in reality it's wow butter.
That's right. Oh my goodness.
But bye guys, I'm taking over Carol's channel. If you made it to the end of the video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button right there. Silly Dr. Mary, Chef Al Dante. Silly, right, Isaac?
That's right,
Oh
guys.
yes, he's featured in this video too. Who would use wow butter instead of peanut butter? And who would use these chips? Like, so crazy of him. That's the end of the vlog. World. Deuces. Okay, take 2. Deuces.